This is gonna be a challenge for me. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and it's a really colorful day today. I'm wearing color on my nails and on my shirt and I'm sitting on the floor. So today I am back on the floor. I used to film on the floor a long time ago, like cringe time ago. So I decided to just bring it back. Today I'm sitting on the floor again and I'm really excited for this video because it's something I have never done before. Today I'm doing a collab. I've never done a collab in my life. This is my first collab ever and I'm extremely excited. Today I'm collabing with a fellow YouTuber and her channel name is Sanu Korah. I'll leave everything down below. But yeah, I'm collabing with Sanu. She reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked me if I wanted to collab and I was like, hell yeah. I've never done this. She's never done this. So I'm really excited to do it with her. She's amazing. She has great reviews of products and she has some really good tutorials. She's also beautiful and her voice, I find it so calming. I love her videos. So I'm gonna leave her down below and you guys go check out her video and also tell her I sent you because she's great. She's great! Okay, so we got to talking and we decided we wanted to do something fun. We wanted to do a challenge. We decided to do the 5-minute challenge, 5-minute makeup challenge, but with a twist. We're only using 5 products, which I feel like it would make it a little bit easier since you don't have to do like everything, but at the same time I really want to do a look. I'm really excited to do this. I am hoping that I can do something in 5 minutes. I have never done my makeup in 5 minutes. If I only have 5 minutes to do my makeup, I'd rather not do it. So yeah, this should be interesting. If you want to know how I do in the next 5 minutes, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Before I started, just wanted to share my 5 products with you because I'm not gonna do that when I'm freaking putting things on my face. So for my primer slash setting spray, I'm using my Skindinavia, the Makeup Primer Spray Oil Control. Looks like this, pretty rad. Then for my concealer slash all over base, I'm using my RMS Uncover Up Concealer. Really love this one. Then for my brows, I'm using my Glossier Boy Brow. Just to, you know, shape them, fill them, make them look as good as possible in 5 minutes. For my eyes and my face and my lips, I'm using my Nudestix Nudies All Over Face Color in the nude. And lastly, of course, I will never ever forget mascara. I have my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Okay, so I have my timer for 5 minutes. I am shitting my pants right now. Let's get the mirror ready and oh my god, didn't think this through. I'm gonna have to hold a mirror with one hand and do my makeup with the other hand. Got the 5 minutes, and I'm starting now. First, I'm applying this all over the face as a primer. Okay, I applied way too much of that. Then I'm going in with my concealer and a mini beauty blender. And just applying this all over my face where I need it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I feel like I should talk, but I don't know what to say. Like, I'm like concentrated right now, guys. My hair's in the way. Fuck you, hair. Just dip my nail into that concealer. Life isn't great right now. I feel like music would definitely make this go by way faster. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is just gonna be a totally annoying video of me saying oh my god like 1,000 times. Why is this not covering my dark circles? They're worse today than they've ever been in a while. Okay, we're already at 3 minutes 50. Okay, so I'm done with this. No time for setting, my dudes. It is time to do this thing, blushy thing. Going in with that same sponge. This looks like a lot. And just putting it all over my cheeks. Oh my god. This is like not blending properly. What is going on? Now I'm putting it on my eyes with my finger, just messy eye application of this. My nails are kind of long and they're getting product everywhere in them, which is disgusting. Oh, look, I have pink eye. Whatever. Oh my god, this is the worst Ooh, I look so bad right now. So bad right now. Ooh. Oh my god, I forgot I had a timer. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, time's going by so fast. Okay, 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 now I'm applying this to the lips. Oh, Jesus. Okay, 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 okay. Well, now that that's done, we're moving on to the brows. Hopefully I don't mess up. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. I have 1 minute. Crap. Why does this have to do me wrong when I need it to be fast and quick? Oh my god. My heart is racing, guys. My hair's getting in the way. My brows look not great right now. Why is life so hard? Okay. Also, I'm not using any brushes today because I know that would have been hard for me. Oh my god, 1 minute and a half. Okay, mascara. Oh my god, I just got it in my brow. I'm a messy person. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. My heart is racing so much right now. Oh crap, wow. Wow. I don't have anything to clean up, so this is gonna have to be my life for a little while. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Crap. Okay, so I'm gonna have to wait until that dries to clean it up, which will not give me enough time because I barely have less than a minute left. Oh no, I look really bad. Why is this so hard? And honestly, okay, I'm done and I still have a few seconds left. I'm applying this, but my mascara isn't totally dry yet, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more blush. I feel like I'm missing a little bit of blush. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of that, and then right at the last second, I'm doing some setting spray. I look like a total mess right now. Oh my god, I'm not even in focus. What am I doing? I'm not good at this. Oh my god. I'm gonna apply a little bit to the nose so that I like, oh cute. Okay, 10 freaking seconds left. Okay. Okay, I'm done, and I did it. Look at my face right now. I don't know what to say. I look like a train wreck. My mascara played me so hard. I think it's drying out because it doesn't look, wait, let me adjust. It doesn't really look great on the lashes anymore. The skin is looking okay. I look really blushy right now. The brows look good. The lips look okay. The blush is good. Honestly, only using 5 products definitely helped me a lot. I really liked using the blush as a lip product and an eye product as well. I think it just meshed the whole look together and it made it super easy because I didn't have to go back to other products. So I definitely like this concept of only using 5 products, but it definitely limits what you can do with them and you end up looking like this. Okay then, that was literally the hardest thing I've ever had to do. I cannot wait to see how Sanu did. Obviously, go check out her video just as you're finishing mine. Just go to her channel, check out her video, tell her I sent you, and go say hi. If you're coming from her channel to mine, hello my friends, welcome to the failure that is me. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Let me know if you're into challenge videos so that I can do more because I had fun. Even though this was a total nightmare, I had a lot of fun. So yeah, let me know what challenge videos you'd like to see me do in the future. Comment them, and as always, don't forget to follow me if you're into easy and super real makeup videos. Also, subscribe to Sanu if you're into makeup reviews and super cool makeup looks. She does that really well, as I already mentioned. Of course, go check her out. She's my YouTube friend. She's literally the first person I've ever collabed with, and she will stay in my heart forever. She's amazing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well if you want to check out more of this mess of a person. I post a lot of that on Instagram, so yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. The sun is leaving us, so I'm leaving you guys. Thank you all so much. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.